Hello friends, in this video I am going to solve next exercise question from book Topics in Algebra. So question is, suppose that H is a subgroup of group G such that whenever right coset HA is not equal to right coset HB, then left coset HA is not equal to left coset HB. Prove that GH G inverse is a subset of H for all elements G in group G. So let's start our proof. Here we want to prove that GH G inverse is a subset of H for all elements G in group G. Now to prove this, it is equivalent to show that GH is a subset of HG for all elements G in group G. We will prove this thing by contradiction. For this, suppose there exists some element G1 in group G such that G1H is not a subset of HG1, and let H is an element in subgroup H. Then G1H by definition will be an element of coset G1H. We call this element G1H as G2. Now as we have considered this thing, we must have G2 will be not an element of coset HG1. We have G1 and G2 are any two elements of group G. Then there will be two cases for cosets. Either HG1 will be equal to HG2 or HG1 will be not equal to HG2. This thing follows by this result. We states that for all elements AB in group G, either HA will be equal to HB or HA intersection HB will be empty. That is, any two right cosets are either equal or disjoint. So if we consider that HG1 is equal to HG2, that is, two right cosets are same, then G2 can be written as E dot G2, which by definition will be an element of coset HG2, and as we have considered this thing, we must have G2 will be an element of HG1, but this is not true. We have shown here. So only case remain is this. Thus we must have HG1 is not equal to HG2. Then if this thing is true, by hypothesis we have G2H is not equal to G1H. We call this expression as star. But G2H can be written as G1H H, and G1H H will be just G1H, since H is an element of subgroup H. Here we get G2H is same as G1H, but this will be contradiction to star, since in star we have G2H is not equal to G1H. Thus our assumption that for some G1 in group G, G1H is not a subset of HG1 was wrong. Thus we have GH is a subset of HG for all elements G in group G, that is, GH G inverse will be a subset of H for all elements G in group G, and this proves our result.